Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Samsung Galaxy S21 FE screen protectors 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, like the original S21, has a flat screen, a 120Hz refresh rate, and the wonderfully bright colors of a Samsung-tuned AMOLED display. Nothing would break my heart more than seeing such a lovely screen smashed and spiderwebbed, which is why the finest Galaxy S21 FE screen protectors, particularly tempered glass ones, are critical. We've compiled a list of the greatest of them, so please keep your screen protected. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Galaxy S21 FE screen protectors 2022, so let's get started. 5. Spigen tempered glass. The majority of name brand and premium tempered glass screen protectors cover only the front glass and not the rear. Spigen, thankfully, offers its camera lenses separately, allowing you to mix and match brands. These blacked out covers also help to reduce glare. If you're as awful as I am at putting screen protectors, Spigen's Align Master technology ensures you do it properly the first time. This screen protector, which has a precise cutout for teardrop, will be completely unnoticeable after you put a case on it. 4. Emotion tempered glass. Do you frequently shoot videos at night or with your flash on? The camera lens covers from Omton are black to reduce glare that refracts through the glass camera module cover, providing the highest image quality. You also receive 3 screen protectors to keep you safe. Made of 9H tempered glass, this case protects your screen and camera lens from scratches while also reducing the impact of a fall from a great height. The original screen brightness is preserved thanks to 99.99% transparency. With higher brightness and fewer glare, you may have a better visual experience. Smudges and fingerprints are greatly reduced by the hydrophobic oleophobic coating. You can maintain your screen clean by simply wiping it with a towel. 3. SuperShields. SuperShields has the same 2.5D rounding on its edges as the S21 FE, which prevents you from feeling its edges when you swipe off the screen's edge. Its layer repels water and your hands' oils, keeping everything clean and clear. Made of high-quality tempered glass for optimum scratch resistance and no residue when removed. 2.5D rounded edge glass for finger and hand comfort. It has a hardness of 9H, a clarity of 99.99% HD, and retains the original tactile experience. To decrease sweat and fingerprints, a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating is used. 2. LK Case 2 or 3-pack. A plasma oleophobic coating on LK's tempered glass assures that your screen will not become smudge city, and it leaves minor gaps on all sides so that even heavy-duty cases will not interfere with it. Furthermore, the borders are smooth and natural due to 3D sculpting. Even when exposed to direct sunlight, the HD clear screen maintains its visibility. The screen protector's surface is treated with a plasma oleophobic coating, which is smooth and sensitive, just like the original screen touch experience. Effectively prevents sweat and grease fingerprints, making the screen easy to clean. 1. Unique Me. Unique Me's packages include not only 2 tempered glass front guards for your Galaxy S21 FE, but also tempered glass camera module covers. Even if your phone is dropped, your cameras will not be harmed or scattered. Before installation, properly clean the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE camera lens and phone screen with wet and dry wipes. Before placing the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE camera lens and phone screen protector to the camera and phone screen, remove the protective covering from the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE camera lens and phone screen protector. Finally, place the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE camera lens and phone screen protector on the camera and phone screen gently. You have completed your task. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Galaxy S21 FE screen protectors 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.